Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security and Medicare at the same time. First, understand that you can apply for both programs through the Social Security Administration. It's crucial to know the best timing for your application to ensure seamless coverage. We'll cover the eligibility requirements and the simple steps to complete your application, whether you prefer doing it online or visiting an office. For Medicare, you can typically apply 3 months before your 65th birthday during your initial enrollment period. This ensures your health coverage starts right when you need it. Social Security retirement benefits can begin as early as age 62, but your monthly payment will be reduced. Consider your full retirement age for maximum benefits. The most convenient way to apply for both Social Security and Medicare is online through the Social Security Administration's website. You can also call their toll-free number or visit your nearest Social Security office for personalized assistance. Remember to gather essential documents like your birth certificate, proof of citizenship, and W-2 forms before you begin. When applying, carefully consider your Medicare choices, including Original Medicare Parts A and B or a Medicare Advantage Plan, Part C. Also, explore Part D for prescription drug coverage. While you can start Social Security at 62, delaying until your full retirement age or even 70 can significantly increase your monthly benefit amount. For more financial wisdom, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.